Meaning of guineafowl.
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 Guineafowl. Guineafowl refers to a group of birds native to Africa. They are known for their distinctive feathers and small head with a bony knob on top. Often raised for their meat and eggs, guineafowl are also commonly kept as pets due to their hardiness and pest control abilities. In some cultures, their feathers hold symbolic value and are used in traditional costumes or rituals. Overall, guineafowl are an important part of African culture and cuisine, and continue to be appreciated for their beauty and usefulness around the world.